Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 laptop, and in this video I will show you how to check your laptop specifications. So to do that, open the Start menu, go to Settings, select System Settings, and scroll all the way down to About section. Open it, and in the About section you will be able to find each of the main elements of your hardware, the name and the basic specifications of it. Now down here you'll also be able to find your device specifications, like the device ID, product ID, system type, and all the other information. Below you'll be able to find the Windows specifications for your device, and if you want to monitor your hardware in real time, you can right-click the taskbar, open Task Manager, and in the Task Manager go to Performance section, and here you can find all the information about your CPU, memory, disk, network card, and GPU. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.